In the northeast and midwestern parts of the United States, residents have been experiencing an influx of winter storms combined with heavier than normal snowfall in recent years. Data has presented that over the past 70 years, there has been an increase in winter storm frequency and intensity. For example, in 2010, Washington, D.C. experienced 17.8 inches of snowfall over the course of 24 hours, one of the largest snowstorms any major city has encountered. While the winter storms in the northeast United States has increased, there has been a decrease in the frequency of snowfall and an increase in drought conditions in the western and southern regions of the United States. This pattern is contributed by a phenomenon known as blocking, which is when a large pressure pattern has little or no movement, causing extended and dramatic weather patterns. The Climate Model Intercomparison Project Phase 5 has predicted there will be an increase in intertropical cyclone frequency in the eastern part of the atmosphere, which then affects the intensity of the storm. Climate change only makes these storms more complex and difficult when trying to make predictions. Wet snow and large amounts of snow can accumulate on roofs and create potential for collapse. Ice can form on trees, power lines, and road surfaces, causing the potential for injury or even death. After large storms drop heavy amounts of snow, there is a significant water runoff produced that can cause severe damage to areas without proper infrastructure put in place. I could not find any solutions for this increase in frequency and severity of winter storms. Most of the data was on solutions for climate change that would in turn change the characteristics of these larger and strong winter storms.